Hi everyone, I am Vinit Kumar. In this video, I am going to explain about my simple mini recipe project built using React. So this project showcases React concepts like API integration, probes and state management and component based architecture. So here we can see this output of my project. This is the home page, and in this here we can see the header button. Here this is the logo of my project, and here I have three buttons like recipes and cart and wishlist. So if I click the recipes, it will goes to the all the recipes. Here we can see the all the recipes, and if I click the cart button, so it will goes to the cart. So initially there is no items added to this cart, and same as wish list also. Here there is no items added to the wish list. So let's here, if I click the view more, it will goes to the recipe details based on the ID. So here we can see the URL. In the based on the ID, it will goes to the recipes details. Here we can see the all the recipe details. So here in this page I have two buttons. One is for add to cart and add to favorite. If I click the add to cart button, here we can see the alert, the recipe added to the cart. If I click the OK, the recipe count will be increased. So here we can see the recipe cart count is increased by 1. If I click the add to favorite button, so the recipe added to the favorite alert is coming and the count is increased here. So here I am adding the another cart, another item. See, here I am adding the add to cart button. So the count is increased by 2. So if I click the cart button, here we can see the cart items are added to the cart. So here we can see this is the delete button. If I click the delete button, it will show the alert confirm to delete cart item. So the item is deleted from the cart. Same as recipes. So if I click the delete button, it will show alert confirm to delete cart item, and the item is deleted from the wish list. So if I click the recipe sub, it will goes to the home button. So let's get see the code of my project. Here we can see this is the structure of the project. Here I created components folder. In this components folder, these are all folders, subfolders. This is the app.js. So here initially I created 3 states for recipes, cart items and for favorite items. So here I am using the use effect. So initially I am fetching the data from the API and updated the set recipes state here. And these are all components. This is navbar and roads. This is for home and recipes. Here we can see, here I am passing the data as a props. Here we can see the recipes data. Here I am in the recipes. Here I am passing the single recipe to the single recipe details. Here I written bootstrap React bootstrap code carts, and here we can see the recipe details. Here I have written 2 buttons, handle cart items and handle favorite items. So here I am adding the cart to cart item. The cart item is added. If I click the delete button, it will be deleted from the hub. So this is all about my recipe project. Thank you for watching.